What's up, lazy people? Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious potato balls with a heart of melted cheese wrapped in bacon. For this recipe we need mashed potatoes, cheddar cheese and bacon. We need to start using ready mashed potato. To know how to prepare mashed potato in microwave, look video here. Okay, take a teaspoon of mashed potato and open it in your hand. Make space to put a little piece of cheese. Close potatoes over the cheese and make a ball. Be careful, don't put too much cheese, otherwise while it cooks, cheese could overflow from mashed potato. Cool! Now we have to make a cover using delicious bacon. Take a bacon slice and roll it over your potato ball. Take a second slice and roll it in the different way. Cool! Now we have a bacon cover for our potato ball. Put your ball in a plate using paper towels. Cover with a paper towel small and a plate, and let's go to the microwave. Awesome! Our potato ball is ready. Let's check it out. It is very hot. Wow! The heart of melted cheese. It's delicious. Enjoy! If you liked this video, please thumbs up and share it. And don't forget, for new microwave recipes, subscribe the channel. Thank you, lazy people!